Automation. Everybody's talking about it. I don't want to just talk about it. I want to go over an application by Fifth Axis. Let's check it out. Are you ready? This is by Fifth Axis. It's on a Haas VF2 SSYT. I'm going to put a link in the comments below to the full video because they've got a great walkthrough on all of the work the team has put in on this. I just want to highlight a few points to this video. So if you look here, you've got the robot going through the tombstones. They've created a really cool custom lift for the side door to automate the process to keep operators out of the way. And then they've got a safe loading station here that the operator can access while the robot's sitting. And then if you look in the back there, they've got an entire rack. The nice thing about this rack is once you have each position set on the rack, you never have to reprogram the robot again for a pick or a drop location, since the cleats are always in the exact same position. And it's really just learning the grab. So you could have anything, any kind of size of pallet going onto the Haas, onto that rotary, and it really helps make it like a lights out situation. There's their cleats, and right here where they're grabbing, they've got the gripper set up in such a way that that cleat is always in the same space. It doesn't really matter what you have up here, whether it's one of their devices or you make a custom fixture with the exact same locations, and then boom, you're getting more parts per day, and the robot there means you're putting less burden labor hours into the cell, which means you have more labor hours to put around the shop. That means more machines can be run by fewer people. Now that back rack, that's actually really special and something I wanted to highlight in this video. You could have a rack full of all of the same stuff. You could have a rack of a bunch of different ones and have the program automatically loading on the Haas machine so it knows, okay, that the first two are this program, the next one's this program, the next one's that program. It might sound complicated and figuring out your system in the beginning might be, but the long-term value here means you can have lights out. Look how many different pallet positions there are there. And you could really make a rack with whatever size you want. Just saying, I love seeing stuff like this because just, oh my God, my brain starts to explode with all of the possibilities to reduce the costs of manufacturing to get more competitive in this global industry. And if that doesn't light you up, I don't know what will. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.